Have you ever wished you could turn a simple idea into a full-blown professional video in just minutes? What if you could create high-quality YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikToks, even full marketing campaigns without ever touching complicated editing software? Today, I'm about to show you a tool that makes that possible, and it's honestly one of the most exciting content creation tools I've ever seen. It's called Pictory AI. If you stay with me for a few minutes, I'm going to show you how it can completely change the way you create content. And even better, how you can turn that content into real money. Pictory is like having an entire video editing team inside your laptop. It can take simple text, like a blog post, a few sentences, or a script, and instantly transform it into a stunning video complete with professional visuals, transitions, captions, music, and even voiceovers. No editing experience needed, no fancy equipment. No wasting hours trying to figure out complicated software. All you do is feed Pictory your content, and it handles the heavy lifting. It intelligently matches your words with high-quality video clips from a massive built-in library. It adds dynamic text overlays so viewers stay engaged. It chooses smooth transitions and background music to keep the energy high. It even offers realistic AI voiceovers if you don't want to record your own. And the crazy part? You can fully customize everything. Want to swap a clip, change a voice, pick a different music track? You have complete creative control without needing technical skills. Think about what that really means. Instead of spending 10 hours editing a single YouTube video, you can produce high-quality videos at scale, daily if you want to. Instead of paying thousands to editors, you can create your own professional videos for a fraction of the cost. In today's content-driven world, speed matters. The faster you create, the faster you grow. Pictory gives you that speed and the power to build a brand, a business, or a full-time income stream with just a laptop and an internet connection. Now let's talk about how fast you can actually turn this into real profitable content. Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and in less than an hour, you've created a brand new YouTube video, a viral TikTok, a Facebook Reel, and an Instagram story, all from a single idea. One of the most powerful ways I've seen people use Pictory is to build faceless YouTube channels. You can pick a niche like motivational videos, tech news, fitness tips, life advice, or even storytelling, and pump out professional videos at scale without showing your face, without editing for hours, and without needing a huge budget. People are quietly building channels that make thousands per month, and tools like Pictory are the secret weapon behind it. It's all about speed, scale, and simplicity. The faster you create, the more opportunities you open. The more consistently you post, the faster you grow. The less friction you have, the more content you'll produce, and the more income streams you'll unlock. Pictory is not just saving you time. It's giving you momentum. It's eliminating excuses, and it's putting you in the driver's seat to create faster, publish more often, and start stacking results. And here's where things really start getting fun, because once you realize how flexible Pictory is, you start seeing endless opportunities to use it to make money and grow your brand. For example, you can offer content repurposing services. Businesses everywhere have tons of blog posts, old newsletters, and social media posts just sitting around. You could use Pictory to turn their written content into videos and charge $200, $500, even $1,000 per project. All you need is their text, and you can create dynamic videos they can use on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Or maybe you want to dominate TikTok or Instagram Reels. You can take viral tweets, Reddit posts, or short quotes and turn them into quick, eye-catching videos that blow up. The top TikTok and Instagram accounts right now are not spending 10 hours editing fancy videos. They're fast, they're consistent, they're smart. And Pictory gives you the tools to be just as fast, just as smart, without the team and without the overhead. Another goldmine is affiliate marketing. You can create quick review videos for products you love, services you use, courses you recommend, drop your affiliate link in the description, and now every view becomes a potential commission. People love short visual summaries of products before they buy, and Pictory lets you create those videos quickly and at scale. If you're in coaching, consulting, or education, you can use Pictory to create mini courses, content snippets, or even automated welcome videos. Imagine turning a few tips into a professional branded video series you can offer as a lead magnet or bonus. You look like a pro without spending weeks building it out. You are no longer limited by fear of the camera. The only limit now is how big you want to go. Pictory gives you the tools to create fast, publish often, and stack real assets that grow over time. And once you start seeing your content working for you, attracting views, building subscribers, generating leads, making sales, you'll realize how powerful this shift really is. Because in the new creator economy, speed and consistency win, and Pictory is the tool that lets you move faster, show up bigger, and start playing to win. By now, you can probably feel it. That little spark inside you that's starting to realize this is your moment. Because we're living in a time where you don't need fancy gear, you don't need a huge team, and you definitely don't need permission to start building your future. You just need the right tools and the willingness to take action. Pictory removes every barrier that used to hold creators back. It erases the learning curve. It crushes the fear of editing. It gives you the ability to take ideas and turn them into income fast. Imagine the next 30 days. You could sit on the sidelines, keep scrolling, keep thinking about starting someday, or you could decide right now that you're done waiting. You could open up Pictory, drop in your first script or idea, and publish your very first video today. Small actions, stacking up, building momentum. This is how brands are born. This is how movements start. This is how side hustles turn into six-figure incomes, into businesses, into freedom. You have everything you need right now to create your first video. The only thing missing is your decision to start. If you're ready to turn your ideas into videos, your videos into audiences, and your audiences into real opportunities, then take the first step right now. Jump in and start creating, because the truth is, your future audience is already out there. They're waiting. It's time to show up. Thanks for watching. Smash the like, check out Pictory below, and I'll see you in the next video.